Hey everyone, I'm Brielle. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. If you're tired of running out of ice at parties or craving chilled drinks on demand, you're gonna love this. Today, we're checking out the GoveeLife Smart Countertop Ice Maker, a sleek machine that promises ice in minutes. Stick around to see if it's worth the hype, and don't forget to check the link in the description for the best deal on Amazon. Let's break down the features. The GoveeLife Ice Maker churns out 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, with a daily capacity of 26 pounds. It's got a self-cleaning mode that runs for 10 minutes to keep things hygienic, and you can control it via the Govee Home App or voice commands with Alexa. It offers 3 ice cube sizes, small, medium, and large, for everything from sodas to cocktails. The stainless steel design is compact, perfect for kitchens, camping, or parties, and it includes an ice basket, scoop, and a smart sensor that stops production when the basket's full. Plus, it's quiet, running at just 46 decibels, about as loud as a fridge. Now the pros. Users love how fast this thing makes ice, perfect for spontaneous gatherings or daily use. The app and Alexa integration make it super convenient, and the self-cleaning feature saves time and worry about mold. It's quiet enough not to disrupt conversations, and the compact size fits nicely on most counters. Customers also praise the ice quality, clear chewable bullets that elevate any drink. For campers or small kitchens, it's a game changer. But there are cons. Some users say the ice melts quickly if left in the basket since it's not refrigerated, so you'll need to transfer it to a freezer. A few reported issues with long-term durability, like the machine slowing down after months of heavy use. The water reservoir needs frequent refilling for high output, and some found the app setup a bit finicky at first. Should you buy the GoveeLife Smart Countertop Ice Maker? I say yes if you host often, love cold drinks, or need portable ice for camping or RV trips. It's ideal for convenience and smart home fans, though heavy users might need to monitor durability. That's my take on the GoveeLife Ice Maker. If this review helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. To grab this ice maker at the best price, click the affiliate link in the description for special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.